Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a strategic market evaluation of the absolute best payroll software platforms engineered to automate your small business compensation workflows, track hourly time cards, and completely eliminate expensive end-of-year tax compliance penalties. Processing employee checks manually is an absolute administrative nightmare that carries an incredibly dangerous margin for mathematical error, making a dedicated digital processing platform an essential foundation for your operating infrastructure. If you are operating a rapidly scaling business, hiring hybrid remote workers across various state lines, or managing complex employee health benefits packages, Gusto stands out as the undisputed gold standard for mainstream operators. Their simple base tier starts at $49 per month plus $6 per active employee, providing an incredibly intuitive, fully automated, full-service payroll engine that calculates, files, and submits your local, state, and federal payroll taxes to the government automatically every single time you click Process. If your small company runs heavily inside a specialized retail storefront, physical franchise location, or fast-paced hospitality restaurant space, Square Payroll provides an unmatched, highly integrated alternative that links natively with your existing point-of-sale hardware ecosystem. Square dramatically simplifies shifts by syncing your hourly employee time cards, tip distributions, and overtime rates directly from the register terminal straight into your payroll ledger, costing a transparent $29 a month plus $6 per individual paid. For lean, budget-conscious tech startups, digital agencies, or distributed software companies that rely entirely on independent contractors rather than traditional W-2 staff, Ripple and Deal offer hyper-efficient international platforms to onboard contractors, sign local compliance forms, and issue legal payments across hundreds of global currencies in a single click. Finally, if your entire operational bookkeeping workflow is already deeply embedded inside the Intuit ecosystem, leveraging QuickBooks Payroll unlocks seamless, real-time ledger reconciliation that updates your corporate expense accounts instantly while granting your workforce immediate access to same-day direct deposit features. Audit your active staff structure, evaluate whether you require deep point-of-sale integration or multi-state compliance filing, and select the exact software package that fits your payroll schedule. Subscribe the channel for more videos.